In this video, we're going to go over how to connect your accounts and emails to Flynt. It's as simple as this. You go to the left, you click campaigns. Before you create your campaigns, all you do is click create campaigns and you click connect account. And as you can see here, Flynt offers 3 different options. So if you already have pre-existing accounts that are ready to go, just go ahead and click connect existing accounts and follow the flow. If you want to create new domains, new emails, new inboxes, no longer do you have to go to Outlook or Gmail or use another outreach tool. You can do that seamlessly through Flynt. You really only have 2 options. So number 1, if you don't really care about the domain name, you're like, you know what, I don't want to wait 2 to 3 weeks, which is the typical warm-up period. I just want to start emailing now, and you don't care about the actual URL or the name, you can just go ahead and select one of the pre-existing pre-warmed accounts that are good to go. The only issue with this is that, again, the domain might not be relevant or match your primary domain right now. And again, if you don't care, go ahead and select one of these. If you're like, you know what, I want to be able to create additional domains and emails that are similar to my domain. So let's say that my domain is PrestonAgency.com. I want to create PrestonTopAgency.com or #1 PrestonAgency.com. You can do that through the done for you email setup, where basically here you can go ahead and type in your URL. So let's type in Preston Agency, right? So now as you can see all the recommended iterations and different sort of subdomains that I can open easily. So I can just pick one or pick as many as you want and then continue with the flow. When it comes to cold outreach, it is really, really important to be able to have multiple inboxes and emails to protect your primary domain, which happens with any cold outreach. Doesn't matter if you are a recruitment agency or any other business on the planet, you want to be able to preserve the deliverability health of your primary domain. So best practice is not to actually use your primary domain to send emails. You want to create subdomains to send emails from strictly, so that if they get damaged, you're protecting your primary domain. The best practice, again, for outreach and campaigns will be talked about in the next video. But for now, go ahead and open up your new domains or connect to the ones that you have already.